Question number 26. It says that an object height is given to us 4 centimeter of a distance of 12 centimeter from a concave mirror. That is, object distance is given to us 12 centimeter. Now it is a concave mirror. So let us see the sign. Object distance will be negative. Focal length will also be negative. Image distance will be positive for virtual and negative for the real. So this will be minus 12 centimeter. Of focal length 24 centimeter. So you will write down minus 24 centimeter. We have to find the position, nature and the height of the image. So image distance, height of the image we have to find. So first of all we will be using the mirror formula. Now mirror formula is 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So 1 upon v will be equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. So let us substitute the value. F is given to us minus 24. Object distance is given to us minus 12. So this minus minus will become plus 12. So it will be, now you will be taking the LCM 24. So it will be minus 1 plus 2. So 1 upon v will be equal to 1 by minus 1 by 24. Therefore, image distance will be minus 24 centimeter. That means it is real image. Now we have to find the image height. So you will use I upon O, image height over object height minus V upon U. So we have to find I. Let us substitute the value. Object height is given as 4 minus V is minus 24. U is minus 12. Minus minus will cancel. So I is equal to minus 24 multiplied with 12 divided by, multiplied with 4 divided by 12. So this will cancel. So image height will come out to be minus 8 centimeter. That means it is real image. So distance is 24 centimeter. Clear? In front of mirror. Clear? And height is 8 centimeter. This is image height. Clear? So this is the answer of the numerical number 26. Now numerical number 27. It says that an object height of 6 centimeter. Now object height in this question is given 6 centimeter. Is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So U is given to us 10 centimeter of convex mirror. Now this is convex mirror. So let us first of all see the sign U. Object distance will be negative. Clear? Whether it is convex mirror or the concave mirror. Focal length will be positive. Image distance will be positive. Because convex always form the virtual image. Clear? Now we will continue. The question is radius of curvature is given to us in this question, that is 30 centimeter. And we have to find the nature, position of the image. So what is the mirror formula? First of all we will be using the mirror formula 1 upon f equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Clear? But here object distance is given to us. Focal length is not given. So we have to take it out from the radius of curvature. So focal length is equal to r by 2. That is f is equal to r by 2. R means radius of curvature. So r is 30 centimeter. So focal length will be 15 centimeter. Clear? It will be plus because it is a convex mirror. Now we will substitute the value in the mirror formula. That is 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Clear? So 1 upon v will be equal to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. So focal length is 15, u is minus 10. Clear? Because it's concave also and convex, u is always negative. U means object distance. So it will be minus 10. This minus minus will become plus. So it is 1 upon 15 plus 1 upon 10. Now what you will do? You will take LCM 150. Now when you divide, 10 will come. When you divide by 10, it will come 50. So 1 upon V will be 25 over 150. So V will be equal to 150 over 25. Now on simplification, if you cancel from the table of 5, this will go 5 times 36. So your image distance is coming out to be 6 centimeter. That means it is virtual. That's why V is coming positive. Now we have to find the image height. I upon O is equal to minus V upon U. So I will be equal to minus V is given 6 over U is minus 10. Multiply with the object height, that is 6. Clear? So I will be equal to minus minus cancel, 36 by 10. So image height will be 3.6 centimeter. So image distance is 6 centimeter. That is virtual image. Image height is 3.6. And where the image will be formed? It will be formed behind the mirror in case of the convex mirror. So these are the numericals. Do practice the examples also. Clear? Now your chapter 10 is finished.